Aircraft mortgages in Vietnam. What every investor needs to know. Setting up an aircraft mortgage in Vietnam requires registering it with the Civil Aviation Authority of Vietnam. Forgot this step and your security interest might not hold up. Mortgages are prioritized by registration date, and until filed, the plane can't legally change hands. Plus, foreign security structures like trust arrangements aren't recognized, so local law governs. It's more than paperwork. It's protection you can't afford to skip.